3 years experience before of yoga, but I needed to expand my knowledge, and I certainly have done that here. There's a massive breadth of learning. Teachers are brilliant, setup here is brilliant, food is fantastic, and the people have just been amazing. I'd highly recommend Upaya if you want to do your yoga teacher training. Amazing location on the beach, beautiful weather, and amazing shalas, and great sort of atmosphere, very spiritual atmosphere on the Arabian Sea. It's beautiful, but I've learned so much, and I've been looked after because I wasn't very well, and the guys here have been brilliant as well. So thank you, Upaya, you've been amazing.